Hello friends, myself Animesh Sharkar. Welcome to our channel Electrical and Automation. Hi everybody. Today we will discuss about how to program Simocode in TI Portal. First of all, we have to install the TI Portal software in your computer. Now I have already installed TI Portal version 15. So let's start. Now we have already opened the software. Now create a new project name, test program. Okay, already name test. Now we go to configure device. It will take time. Then add a new device. Okay, now we seen the control device, and today we just configure the Simocode Pro S version. And here many Simocode are there: Simocode Pro C, S, V, VMR, VPN, VIP, and you have already earlier video seen. We have mentioned and detailing in earlier video. Okay, configure the Pro S, add the go to application standard. Now we configure to direct starter, dual starter. Here are many option is there. Here is the platform. Go to device configuration, and here right side in column is hardware catalog. We have seen there many modules are there: basic unit, current measuring module, current voltage measuring module, digital modules, operating panels, others, analog module, earth module, temperature module, multifunction module. Now suppose we have 11 kilowatt motor, so that full load current is 20 ampere. So first change the current measuring module. Here we can go to right click, select and right click on this module, and go to change device, show catalog. Current measuring module is there. We select 10 ampere to 100 ampere current setting. And this is control main module, basic unit module, Pro S. Now we go to Profibus address. We can change the Profibus address from here. After that, if you have a digital module, just select from here and you can drop it from here, from this. Here is operating panel. We can change the operating panel, display panel from here. Operating display or operating panel. Okay, now we go to parameters side. Field bus interface, Profibus address station address is 10, we have already mentioned. There is the diagnostics. Now go to configuration. Direct starter, we have already configured the direct online starter. Go to motor protection. Here is the reset button. Is manual or auto. Auto means it will be resetted in auto mode in few times, and manuals it will be resetted by manual. Current, set current. What is the rated current in motor? 19 ampere. These are the class. The class includes the maximum tripping time in which Simocode Pro must trip code with a 7.2 volt self current. Response to trip level. Cooling period at 300 seconds. Pause 0. Type to phase, tri-phase. Warning 0.5 millisecond delay per emission. Unbalanced current is there. We select 20% of unbalanced current is face to face unbalanced current. Warning or trip you have to select. You go to prefer to trip, and delay time you can change the delay time from here 0.5 millisecond or 1 second. Stall motor. Stall motor, basically this protection is only active after parameters and class interval clears elapsed. For example, class to 10 200 percentage of this rated current. The stall protection prevents the motor from unnecessary high thermal and mechanical load as well as parameterization deterioration. So we can protect the motor winding. Here is the motor control function. The first one is the Profibus bit, that bit configured to from PLC site, and that one is a fixed bit. This is the digital input bit. Local control function, we can configure the local control function from off is binary input 2 and binary input 1 is configure on bit, so we can select from there. After that we go to PLC section, means that module already configured to PLC system by Profibus. So remote on and remote off selection is there. We selected remote on and remote off, and bit is the PLC configurable bit is bit 0.1 and 0.2. We can change it the bit. That is the PC device section. We cannot connect it from the PC side. Operating panel already there. We can operate from here local to and local to off section. Operating panel button 4 is the off, and on selections by from this operating button 3. These are the auxiliary inputs commands. Feedback time is 0.5 second and execution time is 1 second. Suppose motor is start and that feedback will come is time is 0.5 second run feedback, and run command will be executed from 1 second. Okay, next we have already told him this maximum motor current, effective lower current, motor operating hours levels. This function is deactivated from here, we can activate it from there. Interlock time, trip label, basic input binary output is already configured from here, we can change it. Operating LED panel, we can change it from here. LED green one button shown in display, we can change it from here. Okay, last is logic model truth table. We can configure the program from the here and we can change it. Now it is not connected from this other side. Simply we just configure the dual starter from here. So I think we can cover the all other points in TI Portal version. It is easy and it is very simple for operation side. After that we go online and download this parameters to the basic model from here. Go to download device and save the project from here. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and comments.